Hey guys, David here at Finish Line Factory, and I'm here with my old Miata engine. So the motor is blown, but I still need to transfer some parts, the turbo manifold over to the new engine. And the problem is that I have 3 stripped and seized nuts on the manifold. I can't get the manifold off the head. I've tried penetrating oil. I can't get anything off. So what I've brought is a universal nut cracker. So the idea is, this thing, you're supposed to put the nut into here and literally split the nut in half. So I've always wanted to use one of these. I've never had the chance. So let's give this a shot. All right. It seems to me that this did a decent bit of work. Let's see if I can knock it off. Okay, so that didn't quite work. I tried it out, but it didn't. It split the nut, but it's a flange nut, so it kind of slipped, and wasn't quite gonna. It's not gonna work. But that's okay. Taking a page from Jeremy Clarkson. Got a hammer. Got a chisel. Gonna hammer and chisel. I did it. There's it's not much of a nut anymore, but I did it. So destruction. That's what I'm good at. Problem solved. Problem solved. One more. 2 out of 3. Oh, you know what? Hey, there he is. Look, I think I hear someone outside. Check this out.
What's going on, dude?
This is my buddy Alvaro.
What's going on, guys?
Look at this.
What's that? Oh.
What do you think that is?
Well, that doesn't look good.
No, that looks awesome. What do those look like?
Bolts, obviously, but for what?
No, they're nuts.
Or nuts. Nuts
well,
for what?
that one was a nut.
Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, it is a nut.
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
Yeah. What do you think it's
Yeah,
from?
it's a nut.
What do you think it's from?
I have no idea.
The turbo manifold.
This from the turbo manifold?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
So this one, I drilled a hole through it, and then bashed the stud with a hammer, and a chisel.
Oh, and it just came right out.
Yeah,
Nice.
the other one I cut through with an angle grinder.
Oh, you were able to get that. Nice.
Yeah, so I got 2 out of 3 right now. That's what I'm talking about.
Awesome.
Just a little bit of lubrication. A little lubrication, a little bit of the hammer, You know, a little pounding.
That's what just she said.
Listen,
That's
it's
what
like
she
anything else. A little bit of lubrication, a little bit of pounding, it goes a long way. You know what I'm saying? You know, so that's what I'm doing.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
That's what I'm doing.